color names and shape names. And first, color name. Red color, blue color, pink color, and yellow color. Shapes name: circle, heart, triangle, star, square, pentagon. And draw the shapes. Circle, which shape is circle. Heart, which shape is heart. Triangle, which shape is triangle. Star, which shape is star. Square, which shape is square. Pentagon, which shape is pentagon. Yellow color, circle, which shape is circle. Red color, heart, which shape is heart. Blue color, triangle, which shape is triangle. Pink color, star, which shape is star. Yellow color, square, which shape is square. Red color, pentagon, which shape is pentagon. Repeat again. Circle, heart, triangle, star, square, pentagon. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.